hat. That's my age. She's a very talented person on stage. She loves the acrobats. She's a horse rider. She's a aerialist. So we bring different talents together, and we specialize in it. I can't juggle as well as these guys do, but I do a little magic. So everybody can choose what they want in the whole universe of skills. And once you choose certain thing, you become the best at it. I can talk very well. I can talk to 5,000 people, and I'm a powerful speaker. But others may not be able to talk. Others are good in their mime, in their performance. Others are good in juggling. Some of our clowns can juggle 7 and 8 balls. Oh, I would not be able to do it. So you have to find what you're good at, and then it becomes a character and personality, and you grow to become the best.
That's right. So how many states you said you are performing?
We're performing in 10 cities. We have 100 shows.
Okay.
We began in September, we'll end in December, right throughout our festival season of India.
So you already started the festival?
We performed in Pune, Mangalore, Kolkata, now Goa. After Goa, you go to Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Chennai.
In Goa, it's on?
It's today evening, it's Friday. We have 2 shows, 3 o'clock and 7 o'clock, and Saturday and Sunday, 11, 3 and 7.
And where can people book the shows?
On Book My Show or at Kala Academy. We are out here the whole day. You can come here and book the tickets. It's a 2-hour show, non-stop laughter, you have lots of fun.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.